Here's a video guide for foreign vehicle drivers to create an Autopass account before driving into Singapore. Locate the login icon on the One Motoring webpage, then click on Login to Autopass Account. If you do not have a driver's Autopass account, click on the Sign Up tab. Read the terms and conditions carefully and acknowledge that you meet the criteria before proceeding. Ensure that you are the driver for the foreign vehicle in the Autopass account you are signing up for. Fill in your details, example, name, contact number, and email address as indicated. Ensure that you provide a valid email, as the outcome of your application and future alerts will be provided to the email. Enter the CAPTCHA characters displayed into the field and ensure that all information is accurate before proceeding. Check your email inbox for the one-time password to verify your email. Once your email is verified, create your account by providing your user ID, password, and PIN. Store these details somewhere safe for future logins to your Autopass account. Once you click Next, your account has been successfully created. You may choose to continue with your VEP application in the next step or return to it at a later time. If you wish to resume later, simply log in using the user ID and password you set up earlier via One Motoring website. Do note that you will need to submit your VEP application within 30 days, so please ensure you log back in before the deadline. To continue with your VEP application, have all required documents on the list ready. Attach clear and complete supporting documents and fill in all required fields as requested. You must ensure that the photographs of the vehicles are clear and bear the required and legible vehicle registration number plate. The final step is to verify that all your information and supporting documents are in order. Read the terms and condition, then check the declaration box to confirm that all information and documents in your application are true and accurate, and that you agree to the terms and conditions, and click Submit. You have submitted your application and will receive the outcome of your application via email. You may also log in to your Autopass account at any time to check your application status and your vehicle's VEP validity. Thank you for watching.